Hello everyone. In this video, you will see how to download and install JDK in your system and also how to compile and execute a simple Java program.
So for that, you have to Google JDK. Then you will get the link to the official website. So here, select JDK download. And here, you can select the latest version of JDK corresponding to your operating system. So once you select a JDK file, you will get an option to download that particular file. So once you click the download button, the download will start automatically. Okay. Okay, I'm going to pause this download because already I have downloaded the same file. Okay.
Suppose if you need to download an older version of JDK, for example JDK 8 and your system is a 32-bit operating system, then you can type JDK 8 for 32-bit Windows. Okay, so you will get the official website and just click it. So now here you can see there are different JDK files corresponding to the operating systems, various operating systems. So here if you need to download JDK 8 for Windows 32-bit operating system, then you can select this one, this JDK, because this Windows x86 that indicates 32-bit operating system, and Windows x64 that indicates 64-bit operating system. Okay. So once if you click on that file, you will get a download button, and once you click this download button, the download will start.
Now I am going to install this JDK in my system. Yes, now JDK has been successfully installed. Next, we have to set the path For that, you need to right click the computer and click on properties, click on advanced system settings, click on environment variables, and you need to add a new path. So you need to click on new button and set the variable name as path and set the variable value. So here you have to specify the path. So for that we need to go for the installed files. Okay, so you need to just open C drive and program files.
Where Java is installed.
Okay, and bin. So you need to copy this path and you need to paste it over here and just click OK. So now we have set the path. Okay. Again you need to click OK. Again you need to click OK. Okay. Now the path has been set.
And now we are going to develop a simple Java program, and for that we need to create a directory to store all these Java source files. So here I'm going to create a directory in E drive. So I'm naming it as Java. So all the Java source files are stored in this folder Java, and for creating a Java source file I need to open a notepad. So here we need to type the Java program. So here I'm defining a class hello. So inside this class I need to define the main function. And it accepts string as arguments. And inside this main function I have written a statement to print hello world. Okay, system.out.print hello world. So now we can save this file. So we need to save this file the name that is same as class name. Okay, hello. So hello.java. So we have saved this file hello.java in this folder, that is E drive. Under this E drive Java folder. So inside this Java folder this source file has been saved. Okay, and now we can compile this program. So for that we need to select command prompt. So and now in command prompt you need to go to the path, you need to go to the folder where your Java file resides. So it actually resides in E drive. So I need to go to the E drive. Then under this E drive my file resides in a Java folder. So I need to go to that particular folder, that is Java. Yes. Now I am in a location where my Java file resides. Okay. And now I'm going to compile my source file. Okay, that is javac hello.java. It is compiled, and now we are going to give the command to run the Java program. Hello Java hello. Yes, hello world. It is executed.